Given A, B, C are three non-cyclic functional isomers of a carbonyl compound with molecular formula C4H8O. Isomers A and C give positive tolerance test, whereas isomer B does not give tolerance test but gives positive iodoform test. Isomers A and B on reduction with ZnHg concentrated HCl give the same product D. We have to write the structures of A, B, C, and D, and we have to find out of A, B, and C isomers which one is least reactive towards addition of HCl. As it is given in the question that isomer A and C gives positive tolerance test, so isomer A is butyraldehyde, which is CH3CH2CH2CHO, and isomer C is CH3 whole twice CHCHO, and it is given that isomer B does not give tolerance test but gives positive iodoform test, so it is 2-butanone amethyl ketone, that is CH3COCH2CH3. And when isomer A is is reacted with ZnHg concentrated HCl, it gives butane. Similarly, when isomer B, that is 2-butanone, is reacted with concentrated HCl and ZnHg, it gives butane. For the second part of the question, the isomer B, that is 2-butanone amethyl ketone, is the least reactive with HCN.